for today's video, I am going to discuss or explain my answer in learning activity AG04 or known as organic chemistry. There are three problems that I want to explain to you. First, the problem 2.1, second 2.8, and the last is 2.9. So let's start our video. So sa problem 2.1 is identify the function group in the following molecules. So we are going to identify what kind of function group it is shown in the structure. As we can see in letter A, there is a 2 function which represented a acrylic acid. So, nagko-consist siya ng 2 function group, which is the alkane and carbocyclic acid. How do I come up this answer? Simple. If we are going to identify a function group, we need to see what kind of structure it is. So as we can see, there is a double bonded, which means double bonded is alkane. So if we're going to get it, it will be, so wala na siya, hindi na siya babalik kung, sana all. The second is the carbocyclic acid. So this is the part of carbocyclic acid. Kapag kinuhan natin siya, wala rin matitira. Kapag ang 2 function is nagkakaisa, it means acrylic acid. The second is, ganun din yung ginawa ko sa letter B. It is consisted of 3 function, which is arene, carbocyclic acid, and esterne. So this is the structure of arene. And this is the ester, and this is the carbocyclic acid. If we're going to get the arene, the molecules will be, ang molecules na matitira ay ang carbocyclic acid and the esterne. Kapag kinuha naman natin yung carbocyclic acid, so ang matitira is the esterne. Kapag kinuha natin ang esterne, wala nang matitira. So it will group as one as a aspirin. Ganun din sa letter C ang ginawa ko. It is consisted in aldehyde and the 5 alcohols, because this part is the aldehyde and this 5 alcohols, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it is consisted of 6 functional group which can form a glucose. So the second is the 2.9. Give the IUPAC names of the following alkanes. So hahanapin natin ang IUPAC names sa naka-represent dito sa activity ko. So paano ba natin hahanapin ang IUPAC names sa structure nito? Simple. There is a step if we are going to get the names of this following. First step is we are going to find the parent's hydrocarbon. So, how can we get or how can we come up the parents of hydrocarbon? Paano natin malalaman na parents siya? So, by find the longest carbon. Hahanapin natin yung pinakamataas na carbon chain. So, for example, dito sa activity ko. So, if we're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, 5 carbon. Hahanap tayo ng ibang parte para malaman natin if there's another longest than 5. So, dito tayo magsa-start. 1, 2, 3. If we are going to count, 1, 2, and this side is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, 6. It is longer than 5. So, this is our parents, which is 6, called as an hexane. So, the next step we are going to do is number the number the atom in the chain, in the main chain. Number the atom in the main chain. So, kasi nakahanap na tayo ng parents, ang gagawin natin is, we're going to put a number on this structure. So, first, this is the number 1, this is the number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6. So, the first number is itong nasa baba. The third step is identify and the number the subsistent, or we can say identify the type of subsistent. So, pagkat nakahanap na tayo ng parents and that is the longest, na-number na natin yung chain, na-number na natin yung parents kung saan siya talaga. Na-number na natin yung atom chain. So, the next is, dito sa third part is, hahanapin na natin yung subsistent niya. So, dito ba sa activity sheet ko, ano bang mga subsistent na meron dito? So, the first is this, CH3. Anong CH3? This is called an 1 carbon. This is a 1 carbon called as a methane. So, the second is it is in number. So, the second is here. It is CH3. Same with this subsistent. So, paano ba malalaman natin kung ano siyang number? So, dahil kanina nag-count tayo ng up to 6 or naglagay tayo ng numbers, dito natin malalaman kung saan sila na belong. For example, this, 1, 2, 3. So, this is the 3, which is chained by CH3, or we can call as a methane. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 methane. So, this is another methane. If we're going to read in the PDF files that Mom given or Mom Mel given, it is shown that if 2 carbons or the same carbon and hydrogen are combined, it means called a methane. If 2 is methane, if 3 is 3 methane. So, dahil dalawa sila na methane, this is called as dimethane or 3,4-dimethane hexane. So, ganyan yung na-come up ko na names in IUPC. So, the third problem is 2.10. Draw structure corresponding of the following IUPAC names. So, kabaliktaran siya sa naunang question. Kasi sa naunang question is name ang hinihingi. Dito naman is draw a structure. So, the first is 3,4-dimethane nonane. Syempre, syempre, susundin pa rin natin yung step para hindi tayo mahirapan or malito. So, ika-count natin yung the longest or the parents is 1, 2, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, 6. As we can see, may number na siya para hindi ako mahirapan sa pag-identify or para hindi na ako mahirapan kung saan siya parte. So, 1, 2, 3. So, 3. This part is number 3 is the dimethane CH3 kasi CH3 siya. So, methane siya. Another is in 4, in the C4, there is a CH3 also. And the last is in CH3s, and 3 and C6, there is an CH2, CH3, which means is the ethane. Kasi dalawa ang carbon, nag-consist siya ng dalawang carbon ang subsistent. So, kaya naging 3,4-dimethane octane. So, ganun din yung ginawa ko sa letter B, letter C, and letter D. Nag-construct din ako ng structure kung ano ang given, which is the 3-ethane, 4,4-dimethane heptane. Next is the 2,2-dimethane, 4-propylloctane. So, ito siya. Propyl. Ito yung propyl. So, that is my answer, or that is my explanation in my answer activity in Ag 03. I hope that you understand about my I hope that you will learn on this video.